Wish your kids would eat more vegetables? Here's one simple tip to help kids take another crunch. Explain to your kids that when they take a bite of a raw vegetable, they can hear the crunch because the sound waves travel through the air to their ear. But if they chew with their mouth closed, how come they can hear the crunch? If the sound's not coming out of our mouth, how is it getting to our ear? That's called bone conduction. To prove it, ask your child to bite off a small piece of carrot, chew hard, and cover his ears. Now he can really hear the crunch, but it's inside his head. It traveled to the ear through the bones in his face. Sometimes practicing a little science at the dinner table can turn your child into a carrot connoisseur. For more dinnertime science and fun activities, Adventures in Veggieland. Help your kids learn to love vegetables with 100 easy activities and recipes.